Sicon Courier integration sits directly inside of Sage 200. It allows you the ability to connect to various couriers to eliminate the need for you to have to go directly onto their website to input the weight, dimensions, and information such as the number of packages. This can be used in conjunction with barcoding, which will obviously speed up the whole process of generating the courier labels. Initially, all you're basically doing is configuring all of the different couriers that you want to work with and then their services. So all of their different delivery services. And as you'll see in a moment, they will then appear in the standard Sage sales order processing screen. Now you can default each specific customer. So every single time you dispatch for a specific customer, it will automatically pick up that courier for you. Please refer to our helping user guides to check the latest list of couriers that we work with. There's also the ability to add in additional charges, which will then appear as a separate line on the sales order for you. So if we come and have a look at a sales order that I've generated, as you'll see, it's automatically defaulted to this particular customer's delivery service, which is DPD's next day. And in the background, we've pre-configured the various weights of each of these items, which again automatically pulls through for us and again eliminates the need to have to key that in onto the courier's website. When we use this without Sicon barcoding, we have to come in here and you'll see we've just got this extra little courier labels tick box within the standard Sage Confirm Goods Dispatch screen. And at this point, click Save and it'll pop up with an extra little box that allows us then to determine the number of boxes and just gives us the flexibility again at this point to say, do we want to send it to a different delivery provider? Select. That will then talk automatically to the courier's website, and as you can see, it's automatically now produced the label for us. It's automatically populated through and updated the sales order with the courier shipment ID and the tracking number, and once again, it's confirmed the courier and the delivery service for us. Now, when you use this in conjunction with barcoding, you don't have to click on this courier labels. That will be an option that will appear on the barcoding device and will then automatically allow you to produce that, but it will be saved against the sales order for you. All of this information is then stored against the dispatches button at the bottom of the screen in the order, in sales order processing. And once again, you can see that same information that shows us the tracking number, courier, etc. Sicon Courier integration can also be used in conjunction with Sicon documents, and we can distribute additional documentation out, including courier tracking and additional courier information. So I've got a sales order already on, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to dispatch in the normal standard Sage way. But you'll see that we have the extra little courier labels tick box as well as the email and archive, which is essentially what's going to give me the ability to automate emailing this out. For further information on document distribution, please refer to our help and user guides. So we're going to click Create Courier Labels. We're going to say which service we want to select and the number of packages, and this is the point where it's now going to connect to DPD. We've now got our label to attach to the packaging, and when we close this, it's now going to automatically send out to whatever role that you've suggested that you want your dispatch notes to send through to. So it simply picks up the role of the person back in Sage. And it can also send additional information out, such as, in this case, there's an image of the stock item, but it could also be instructions. It could be things like terms and conditions. So as you'll see, we've got our dispatch note in here, which is also included a footer and a header page. So we've got our footer page, we've got the dispatch note, and we've got the terms and conditions on the back. We've got our image, and there we go. There's the confirmation of the courier, which is DPD, delivery service, and then we've got the tracking information. Now, I've got mine set to save to my drafts folder, but you can have this automatically sending out as well. Any further information, please refer through to our help and user guides or have a chat with your Sage business partner.